In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Buffer to Zapier and automate your social posts. Start by opening Buffer. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the bottom left and click your profile or account icon. From there, select Apps and Integrations. This is where Buffer lists official connections that extend what it can do. Scroll or search until you find Zapier, then click it to continue. If prompted, you'll be guided over to Zapier so everything stays linked correctly. Now sign in to your Zapier account. If you're already signed in, you'll land right on your Zapier dashboard. Create a new Zap. A Zap is simply an automation that connects a trigger in one app to an action in another. Think of it as when this happens, what happens do that. And in our case, when something happens in another app, create or schedule a post in Buffer. Choose your trigger app. This is the source of the event that will kick things off. Popular choices include Google Sheets when a new row is added, Gmail when a specific email arrives, RSS feed when a new item is published, or Notion when a new database item appears. Pick the trigger that matches your workflow, then select the specific trigger event and sample data so Zapier knows what to use in testing. Next, set Buffer as the action app. When asked to choose the Buffer action, select the one that fits your goal. Create Post is great for publishing immediately. Add to Queue will place the content into your preset Buffer schedule, and Schedule Post lets you define the exact date and time. After choosing the action, Zapier will prompt you to connect your Buffer account. Approve the connection so Zapier can post on your behalf and select the social channel or profile you want to use. Configure the action by mapping fields from your trigger into Buffer. For example, map a title or description into the post text and a URL into the link field. If your trigger includes images, map the image URL as well. Keep your copy concise and make sure it fits the character limits of your chosen platform. Now test the automation. Run a test in Zapier and check Buffer to confirm the post appears where and how you expect. If something looks off, adjust your field mappings and test again until it's perfect. When everything works as intended, turn on the Zap. From now on, each new trigger event will automatically create, queue, or schedule a post in Buffer, saving you time and keeping your content pipeline moving smoothly.